Welcome to the Liquid Nomad. I'm Del. Today's cocktail is a surprising combination of chocolate and citrus. This is the 20th century. So to start, traditionally this cocktail is garnished with lemon peel, but today we're going to use a chocolate stroopwafel. This particular brand of stroopwafel has a thin layer of caramel, cinnamon, and bourbon vanilla. I'm going to put it on our cutting board and slice that into points. And we're going to set that aside and come back to that at the end. For our serving glass, we're using a coupe. We're going to serve this up. And if you have space in the freezer, place it in the freezer. If not, just put some ice in your cup so we can chill while we build our cocktail and just set this aside. Grabbing our tins for the build. I'm going to start with fresh squeezed lemon juice, 3/4 ounce, 22.5 mil into the tin. Then for our balancing sweetness, we're using Tempus Fugit Cacao. Now, the original recipe calls for a clear chocolate liqueur, but this Tempus Fugit adds this really nice bittersweet complexity to the cocktail with vanilla notes. So for this, it'd be 1/2 ounce, 15 mil into the tin. Then we're using Cocchi Americano. This is an Italian aromatized wine, flavored by quinine, spices and herbs. For this, 3/4 ounce, 22.5 mil. Lastly, for our base, I'm using Ford's Gin today. Ford's is a London dry gin designed with bartender input specifically for use in cocktails. This is my go-to London dry gin for price and quality. It has 9 botanicals in great balance. And not only was this gin created for cocktails, but the bottle design is dialed in for convenience of use. 1.5 ounce Ford's Gin. Now, every bartender builds differently, but I like to fill my smaller tin with ice, and that gives me the proper dilution I need for an 8-second shake. Seal the tin. We want to empty the crushed ice. And to keep out the little small chips of ice from shaking, I'm going to double strain up. Set aside. And for garnish, I'm going to come back to our stroopwafel points and place right on top of the glass. This is the 20th century cocktail was created by British bartender C.A. Tuck in 1937. It was named after the luxury train 20th Century Limited, which ran between New York and Chicago from 1902 to 1967. So just at looks, it's a little darker than the classic cocktail because we're using the Tempus Fugit Cacao as opposed to a clear cacao. But in for the sip. Yeah, that's really great. So you have the Cocchi Americano, which builds a bridge between the bittersweet of the chocolate and the brightness of the lemon for those botanicals at the base. So this works really well. The stroopwafel. It's not overly sweet, and it adds a welcome, flavorful, complementary texture to the cocktail that works really great together. Definitely give this a try. For this cocktail, we're at Dutch Courage in Baltimore, Maryland. Dutch Courage is a gin-focused craft cocktail bar at the corner of North Charles and 23rd in the Old Goucher area of Baltimore. Their large cocktail list showcases a wide variety of styles and flavors. With a beautiful bar and sunlit dining, the indoor and outdoor spaces of Dutch Courage are vibrant and welcoming. While gin-focused, on and off menu cocktails are carefully curated by a talented bar team, using house tinctures, syrups, juices, modifiers, and other spirits. If you tried the 20th century or have a cocktail you want to see me make, let's keep the conversation going in the comments section. If you like what you saw and want to see more, like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.